So guys, here we are going to discuss about what is strategic alliances. Alliances means is a relationship. Alliances related to a relationship which क्या बोलते हैं इसको, जो भी रिलेशनशिप होता है वो उसमें मिनिमम 2 बिजनेस और मोर देन 2 बिजनेस के बीच में बनते हैं। जो देखिए अभी हर एवरी कंपनी हैव अ सर्टेन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और विच इज़ वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज टू से लाइक स्ट्रेटेजिक ऑब्जेक्टिव. सो alliances will create when the company have no capacity to gain it that objectives company's objectives own. So it will make the alliance with another business or another organization or another company to gain that goals. Ab first we will discuss what is that objectives of the company. Objectives, these are HR objectives, human resource, or financial objectives, और प्रॉफिट और मार्केटिंग और ब्रांडिंग एटसेट्रा. सो गाइज ये जो होते हैं ना वो कंपनीज के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं, जिसे जब एक कंपनी खुद ओन से जब नहीं कर पाती है, जब ये गेन नहीं कर पाती है, तो दे विल मेक द अलायंस. So they will make the alliance with another company to gain their objectives. Once we will go with the definition of the strategic alliance. A strategic alliance is a relationship between two or more business that enables to achieve certain strategic objectives which neither would be able to achieve on its. See, whatever I explained, the strategic alliance, the definition also saying the same thing. Ki strategic alliances are those which a company can't gain by can't achieve own, so it will make the alliance, it will make a relationship with another company and which is helpful to achieve their goals or their objectives. So the example of strategic alliances are ATM card. See guys, ATM card is issued by bank, but it is made by plastic. Which is a product of a plastic company. Is a product of plastic company. Okay. So this plastic company will make a alliance with the bank also, like they will provide the card. So bank also doing the coordination with the company to take the card. So basically I just want to explain that a plastic company will coordinate with the different of banks like Bank of Baroda, SBI, BOI, and they will make the ATM card, plastic card to the for the banks, and there is also barcodes, numbers, so which will print on that which will print on the card. So bank will provide the service. So there are the alliances between the manufacturing companies and the different banks. So it is, so company so there is the objective for the bank is to provide the ATM card to the customers, but they can't manufacture the frame of the card. So they will make the alliance with the manufacturing company. They will provide their plastic cards on the card. Also they will provide plastic papers, barcodes, numbers. They will print and everything. After framing that particular ATM card, they will provide to the bank, and bank will provide to their customers, existing customer of their bank holders. So this is the example of strategic alliance. I hope guys you will understand what is the strategic alliance. If you have any problem, then please comment in the comment section. I will try to solve your queries. Thank you guys.